Maximal oppositions. Maximal oppositions is an approach used by SLPs to help expand their client's phonetic inventory. Achieves this by focusing on two words that have different phonetic makeup. Shook and book could be an example, because sh and b differ in place, voice, and manner. Target sounds are most often placed in the initial position. The maximal pair should ideally be varying in place, voice, and manner. Purpose of maximal opposition. The overall goal of maximal opposition is to expand the client's phonetic inventory through using maximal pairs. This usually occurs through the generalization of the pairs. The hope of using this approach is that it not only affects the target words that the child is producing, but also it gets generalized to other words. Using the maximal oppositions approach also allows for the child to potentially expand their overall vocabulary as well. The maximal oppositions approach is appropriate to use on anyone from ages 2 years and 8 months to 7 years and 11 months. However, it is most commonly used around 4 years old. The child must have a consistent phonological impairment, and it has to be either moderate to severe. Lastly, the child must have at least 5 to 7 sounds that are missing from their phonetic inventory. After all these criteria are satisfied, then the maximal opposition approach can be utilized. Pros and cons. Pros. This theory allows for more generalization than one similar, specifically minimal pairs. The target sounds do not already have to be in the client's inventory, and this approach is backed by research. Cons. The clinician must be skilled enough to be able to execute this approach. Before starting, the clinician must have a detailed list of the child's phonetic inventory, and there are other approaches that have also been proven effective. Client information. Our client, David, is 6 years and 1 month old and currently in kindergarten. He has a moderate phonological impairment and is missing 6 sounds from his phonetic inventory. The missing sounds are P, T, K, F, S, and the voiceless TH. Based off this information, the client is having trouble with voiceless stops and fricatives. Because the client is having difficulty in these areas, we will target sounds that are the opposite in place, voice, and manner of the missing sounds.
Target behavior. Based on our client's phonetic inventory, we are going to target a sound that he already has and one that he does not have that is maximally different from the other. M is a voiced bilabial nasal and a sonorant that is within his phonetic inventory. F, however, is a voiceless labiodental fricative and also an obstruent that is not within his phonetic inventory. He may be able to say a word like man, but struggle to replace the M sound with the F sound to create the word fan. Treatment objectives and goals. For our treatment objective, we said that David will expand his phonetic inventory by comparing maximally different sounds such as M and F in the initial position during a picture naming task with 80% accuracy as measured by clinician data. For our treatment goal, we said within a 6-month period, David will accurately identify maximally different sounds in the initial position of words during conversational speech at 80% accuracy. Materials. The materials we are using are clip art images of rhyming words to help the child match each word to its pair. For example, matching the image of a man being paired with the image of a fan. Description of clinician instruction. The clinician will explain to the child that we are going to look at some words and pictures and practice saying them. Although the words may appear similar, the initial sound of the word will differ. After the clinician and child practice the words, the clinician will choose an M sound word and ask the child to find the matching F sound word. The client will imitate the sounds the clinician is saying and then be able to produce them spontaneously in the later sessions.
Hierarchy of response. Visual phonetic cues. Provides a child with information about what the articulators need to do and where they need to be. Metaphors production cues assigns metaphors for speech sounds or prosodic features as a means for talking about defining phonetic characteristics.
Target items. Given David's phonetic inventory, he should be able to produce the M sound, but he does not have the F sound within his phonetic inventory. So for this lesson, we are going to target the F sound as it is maximally different from M. Data. The clinician will write check marks, X marks, or a plus or minus for each response over the course of opportunities given.
All right, so today we're going to play a little game with M and F that rhyme with each other. So for example, we have man and fan. Okay, so when we're done with that, we're going to stack them together and put them to the side. All right?
Okay.
So we're going to start with Matt. Can you say Matt?
Matt.
Okay, can you find a word that rhymes with Matt? It starts with the letter F. That. Good job. All right, so we have Matt and fat.
Fat.
Good job. All right, next we are going to move on to male. Can you say male?
Male.
All right. Can you find the word that starts with the letter F that rhymes with male? What does that say?
Fail.
Fail. Good job. Okay. All right. Next we have money. Can you say money?
Money.
Okay. Can you find the word that starts with the letter F that rhymes with funny or money? What does this say?
Funny.
Funny. Good job. Okay. All right. Next, we have the word make. Next, we have the word make. Can you find the word that rhymes with make that starts with the letter F?
Can you say that again? What? Make?
Make. What rhymes with make?
That's one.
What does that say?
Fake.
Fake. Can you do this for me? Fake.
Fake.
Nice job. Okay. Next we have the word mix. Can you find the word that rhymes with the word mix that starts with the letter F? Remember, F is a windy sound. Good job.
Fix.
Good job. Okay. Next we have the word mountain. Can you find the word that rhymes with mountain that starts with the letter F? Awesome. What is that word?
Fountain.
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 Remember, it's a bunny rabbit blowing sound. Fountain.
Fountain.
Good job. Okay. Next we have the word mile. Can you say mile?
Mile.
All right. What rhymes with the word mile that starts with the letter F?
File.
File.
My mommy has this.
Awesome. Okay. Next we have meat. Can you find the word that starts with the letter F that rhymes with meat?
Feet.
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 Good job. Okay, 2 more. Next we have mist. Can you tell me what rhymes with mist that starts with the letter F?
Mist.
What was that?
Mist.
Okay, can we try our bunny blowing sound again?
Fist.
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 Good job. All right, last but not least, we have the word man. What does this rhyme with that starts with the letter F?
Man.
Remember, let's do our quiet windy noise. Fan.
Fan.
Good job, you got it.